A Trail of Tears Tid-Bit with Bartholomew. A cleverness was about the white man as they journeyed parallel to us within their tauntings, within their grievances. They thrust upon us a harshness like no other. We were threatened, battered, and beaten whenever they thought that they had time, whenever they thought we needed a talking to, a wising up, if you will. There is nothing within our experience that led us to something of this nature. This experience took on a life of its own as it embedded this fierceness within the earth, this abundance of sadness, but this abundance also of determination within the earth's core to rise. For it was within these grievances, within these sadnesses that were abundant, where the earth sought a direction to rise up and began its journey with us at the forefront of this rising in order to create a new earth, the new human. For this was to be, this was set in stone. This was Earth's destiny. Our destiny intertwined with the Earth's. For we knew that this was not for naught, that all of this torment and trauma was not for nothing, but for everything that we held sacred and that we knew to be true. For the truth of it was that we are one. The past, the present, the future is all one. So we experienced the torment, the torture needed to help guide the whole back to you.